Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to tell you about the benefits of PensionSeva.sbi website launched by SBI Bank for their pension holders. So today we are going to tell you the different services that are offered by PensionSeva.sbi website. So let's get forward and start with our video. So for this service you have to visit pensionseva.sbi website, which you can see here. Here is the URL of this site. So you have to visit this site for availing this service, and you must have the pension account in SBI Bank to avail this service. So you have to visit this site. When you visit this site, you will see a login form. If you are visiting first time, you have to click for registration. So we are going to show you the registration process so you can easily use this service. So when you click the registration link, you will be redirected to a page where you have to fill your information for registration. You have to fill your user ID. You have to create the user ID, which should be unique and should be remembered for login. After that, we are hiding some sensitive information, so because it is personal, so you have to fill the information and move in the form below. After that, you have to fill your date of birth and branch code. Branch code is the code in which you have your pension account in SBI. And you have to also fill the email address, because without filling the email address you will not be able to use this service and activate the service. After that, you have to click the next button. After clicking next button, you will be given the option to create new password. Your new password should be unique and it should be remembered to get login. After you click next, you will be asked for 2 profile questions. So in the future, if you forget the password, you will be able to reset using these passwords, using these profile answers. So you have to answer these questions to recover your password in the future. After clicking finish, you will be shown a message which will tell you that your account has been successfully registered with SBI pension portal. If all your information is correct, then only you will be able to see this message. Otherwise you will not see this message and you will have to perform the previous instructions again and create your account. After that, you have to visit your email and go to your email inbox and open the email that is received from the SBI to activate your account. You have to click an activation link provided in the email to activate your account. After you have activated your account, you have to again visit the website pensionseva.sbi. Here you have to fill the user ID you have created and the password, and after that you have to fill the captcha and click login. When you click on the login button, and you will be redirected to the home page of the dashboard page of the Pension Seva. Here you will be able to see all the information of your account, where CPC and branch in which your account is opened, PPO number, category, and in the pension details you will be able to see your last pension credited, basic, your DA and net amount. Other personal details will be shown here. Here will be Aadhaar card if you have submitted, PAN number, your life certificate, and your email, mobile or contact number will be shown here. So you will be able to see all your information. Now we are going to show you other details. When you proceed forward or scroll the page downward, you will be able to see all these details. So when you click profile details here in the palette, you will be able to see all your other details. which include your name, account number, PPO number, and date of birth. In the below page you will be able to see all your other information like date of retirement, category, last pension processed, pension type, pension status, Aadhaar, PAN card, mobile number, email, your address, branch code, branch name. All these information including CP, PC code, CP, PC name, etc. will be shown here. So let's get forward. After this you will be clicking the link of certificate details. So when you click on this link, certificate details, you will be shown all your certificate details like your life certificate and your employment certificate, if they are active or not, or they are valid from which date to which date, you will be able to see here. So in this page you will be able to see when you have to submit your next form. So after that, now we are clicking the link of transaction credited. So when we click this link, you will be able to see all your transactions which have occurred in your account. You can see the monthly transactions that have occurred here, so you can see all these transactions. Now moving forward, we will see the next link, which is arrear calculation sheet. So you will be able to see arrear calculation, how arrear is credited to your account. All these arrear information is there. You can download the arrear which is applicable to you, so you can click the link and download the arrear information. Moving towards the next link, which is pension slip. So in this link you will be able to download the pension slip. So you have to select the month and year. If you want to download the whole year pension slip, you can download from here. You have to select the month or the year for which you want to select. So after clicking this, you have to click submit and you will be able to download the pension slip. Moving towards the provisional form 16, here the next link. So you will be able to download the provisional form for the year which you have selected. You have to select the year for which you want to download the form 16. After you selected the year, you will be able to download the form 16. So you will get a link to download the form 16. You can click here and download the form 16 from here. So moving towards the next link, which is investment details. So after clicking this link, you will be directed to the investment details. So if you have done some investment, you can see here, but no investment is done in this account, so nothing is shown here for the financial year you have selected. So investment detail are null here. Moving towards financial detail, when you click on the financial detail option, you will be shown all your financial details like DA and your basic pension, your DA percentage, how it is applicable, and your commutation date, when you have started and when will commutation end. All this information will be shown here. After that, financial details, we will click on the link of the pension loan. So if you want some pension loan or you have applied for pension loan, you can select this option. We are skipping this because we don't want the loan to be processed, so we are going towards the home page. After clicking the home page, you will again shown the option of the profile details and all the information which you have seen in your home page. So this is all about the pension portal of SBI. You can utilize it for your personal information and all other certificate downloads. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our video if it was helpful for you. So after clicking this, you will be able to see all your details. Don't forget to log out your personal information from here. You have to click your name. You will be given a palette to log out, sign out here. If you want to change password, you can change from here. Otherwise, sign out and you will be redirected to login page. So don't forget to log out. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. It will be helpful for us for making new videos for you. Bye bye. Thanks for viewing our video.